Hello friends, thank you for watching my video. Today I got a new question, so I will answer it. The question is, do you ever use white pine? I just got some seedling white pine from the forest next to my town, and I know it is only one single fresh per year. Mostly why we don't see them use it for bonsai. But I have lots of time and patience. Nice video, thank you. And thank you for watching my videos. Like this, I am answering your questions as much as I can. So if you have anything you want me to ask, just feel free to comment me and I will answer later. Okay, thank you. So the first thing about white pine, yes, it's only a 1 year, but we can have a lot if you have a good species. This one is good. This one is called chaosu in Japanese. And we got a buds about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 buds at same place like this. This is good. And also this is, I am making white pine from seedling like this. I bought it this year, and this is called hanabi. Hanabi in Japanese. And this has a spot. Can you see? Can you see this place? Spots. This yellow part is called spot. And this is beautiful species. And I'm making also with this, and this is I bought from other people who is very good at making crafting seedling. And after 4 years, I think after 4 years or maybe 5 years, I can make this from this. I reported to this pot and grow it for 1 year after making the shape like this, and I just leave it, and once in a year I water again to these branches which I have when it grows, and making this and more. I have this same one. This is also from this type of seedling. So you can make this about 6 years or 5, 6, 7 years. You can get this. And how to make this in a short years? At first, very important place is using a good species. Yeah, if you like that, it's from a mountain. Yes, yeah, forest. You got a white pine from the forest next to my town. Okay, next to your town. And you like it, then you can use it. But I prefer to use this kind of white pines, which has many buds in same place. Then you can make more variety of. You can have you can have choice to make shapes and branches because you have many buds. Just cut the unnecessary one, and you can use which you like to use. So I think like this. And first, make a shape and depot to this pot and grow it. And when you grow, you will have a long branch at the center, and you make this as a sacrifice branch. I'm sorry. Yeah, to make a sacrifice branch and make a shape like this. And this is the first branch, and this is the second branch, and this is the back branch, and this is the front branch, and this could be the center, and you can make another branch with this. I just didn't cut this because just in time we lost some other branches in the future. I can use this instead of that lost branch when it's died. Small branches, this kind of small branches might die suddenly, so I have this as a spare, just a spare. So if this grows good, and if you think it will never die in an accident maybe, then you can cut this. At least we can leave this for only 2-3 years until the small branches grows for a spare one. Because if you leave this too long, this will be getting makes this part too thick, because this place we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches, and yes, so there are 6 branches. 6 branches gather into this same place. If you leave it too many branches in the same place, the bottom part, like this place, will be thick and get angry. So you have to cut this in the future very soon. But now you can leave it to make a spare for the other branches. Okay, and you're growing, and once in a year you wire it, and rewire in winter, and remove it in next autumn. Yeah, I always do that. And in winter I wire again. I just continue doing this. It makes this, and report 3 years. 3 years report. After report 3 years, I report again to make this root up, because this one root deep inside this pot, so you have to make it up to show the root. So you have to report maybe 3 years. Every 3 years, then you can make this pot good. Yeah, and just continue wearing. The good place about white pine is very strong for wiring. So this is good species to practice wiring, I think. If you can bend this like this, it's no problem. Or this, no problem. It won't break. This is very strong for wiring. This one is good, and juniper is also good. Black pine, red pine, good next to them. This is the best. This and the juniper is the best, the best to make chip. So, but be careful not to make like I said. Yeah, okay. I think I like this. Let me see. I changed my mind, so I will make this. Let me see. Yeah, might be good, but I prefer this. If we continue doing this as changing minds or doing reshaping again and again, might broke. You might broke this bridge. So it's better to decide in one time. That's the best. But yeah, I do that because I have many siblings to do, so I don't consider so much deeply. I have to decide in one time. But fast phase, and for the beginners, it's a bit difficult for making in one place. So you can change your mind 2 or 3, maybe 3 the most. 4, 5, 6 times you change the shape in the same place, this part will be weak and might broke. So very careful. If you want to change it, maybe you have to wait about 6 months or so, then you can change it. And finally, I think you can make this. So don't worry. So I have a lot of time and patience. Yes, it takes time, but it's about 6 years to make this. No, 4 years to make this, and 6 years like to make this from this setting. So it's not so much taking time. I don't think it's taking too much time. This is very normal. For the other species, it's the same, almost the same. Yeah, because junipers and black pines you can have 2 brushes, and maples you can cut, and the maples are very strong in cutting, so make many parts in 1 year. So you can make it 4 times cutting. Yeah, you can make it 4 times cutting when you're using a trident maple. Yeah, but for junipers and black pines, white pines, and red pines, almost same, just once in a year. And this one, so you can check this place. The buds, can you see the new buds? This place has, I can see 3 new buds. So when it comes spring, this branch have 3 buds. So you can make 3 buds which means you can make more leaves and branches. You can make a new one. So better choose a good species like this to have many buds. That's the point. Hey, so that's it. Thank you for the questions and another one. Okay. So thank you for the questions, and I'm answering other questions. If you have something, please let me know, and I will answer it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.